Here, beneath the fog-covered swamps of Naboo, lives one of the galaxy's most fascinating amphibious societies, the Gungans. Today we see them being hunted by mechanical giants. Evolutionarily speaking, they are trying their best. Let us now take a look at their underwater world. The Gungans construct elaborate underwater domes, protecting themselves from predators and basic responsibility. Leadership is determined not by wisdom, but by volume. The Gungan leader of high nobility is the loudest and proudest of the species. Occasionally, a Gungan is born with an unusually high confidence-to-competence ratio. This individual believes himself capable of survival in the wild, however, he is not. When threatened, Gungans deploy advanced organic weaponry, designed to incapacitate enemies, and sometimes themselves. This is known as friendly fire. Though often underestimated, the Gungans continue to survive. How they have done this baffles biologists and ecologists alike.